Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Keller Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome OS browser on your PC and go to Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Keller Mortgage Login. Click on the second link which appears on your screen. It is the official portal of Keller Mortgage account. Click on the second link and it will lead you to this login portal where you can sign in with your Keller Mortgage account, or if you are a non-KW, then write down your email address, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can log in to your Keller Mortgage account. Now if you want to sign in with your Keller account, click sign in with KW here and it will lead you to another portal where you can sign into your Keller Mortgage account. Go ahead and write down your username, your password, and click login. If you want your browser to remember your username, click remember my username and you will no longer have to write down your username the next time you try to log in. If in case you have forgotten your password, click forgot password and then write down your email address or your username, click submit, and the details will be found and a mail will be sent to your email registered with Keller and then you can recover your password quite easily. So guys, it's quite easy. All you need to do is go ahead and search for Keller Mortgage login. Click on the third link which appears on your screen or the second link which appears on your screen, which will lead you to this page where you can sign in if you are not a KW user, and if you want to sign in with your KW account, click this and then sign in to Keller I hope this video about how you can log in to your Keller Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.